So in today's assignment, you're going to complete the push-up variation. So when you click on that, you're going to find your name. And when you find your name, you're going to click on it, and then this sheet is going to open. This assignment is a push-up variation for participation grade only. So copy and paste the following link in your browser to assist you in answering the following questions. So you can click this link right here, and it will pop up. I already have it up already, so I have mine down here. So that's what the video is going to look like as you go through it. So if that link doesn't work, you can always put the link into the search engine. So you can copy it, create a new tab, and paste, and it'll come up this way. You can also go to YouTube. So you just put in the search engine for YouTube, and boom, it'll come up right there as well. So you'll just continue on, and if you would like to practice the push-up technique, you may follow this link here. So if you're going through the video and you're struggling a little bit, you can refer back to this video, and it'll be a quick video, less than 4 minutes long, to assist you. So if the above link does not work, it'll give you another way to access that link as well. Follow along with the video. PE teacher does push-ups and answers the questions below. A list of 63 of the 64 push-up variations are listed between 25 and 42 seconds to assist you in locating the push-ups in the assignment. Use the list as a reference to assist you, like a table of contents for a book or a legend for a map, as you navigate to discover the answers to the questions. As you watch, you will understand why 64 is a surprise. Some questions you will have to pay close attention to in order to get the answer, but the easiest way is to participate and follow along, as that will help you discover the answers more easily as you are being engaged and you're actively paying attention. As always, I labeled each of the exercises so you can scroll the timeline and check for specific parts. So utilize that tool to assist you in tracking the answers if need be. Answer all questions as thoroughly as possible, because the questions here will be rephrased at test time. So you will complete this information here. The first couple of questions are used to track you, just in case you are unable to submit the assignment in Teams, or you don't have access to the assignment because you're a new student. You can always follow the link that I'm putting in every class period that we have. So you enter your teacher's name, grade and section number. For example, CASL 7-2. Put it right there. Put your first name and your last name. If you put inaccurate information in for these questions, I will not be able to give you full credit, because I will not be able to track and locate you and give you the grade that you earned. So if I can't find you, I can't give you a participation grade. Same thing goes for a test grade. Number 4, in your opinion, what is the least challenging push-up? So at this point, you can refer to the video. So as I stated before, between 25 and 42 are the push-ups, and you see the push-ups right here. So you have the wall push-up, which is the first one, and that was actually the standing wall push-up, which is right here. The next push-up on the list is number 3, and that's the kneeling push-up, followed by number 10, the kneeling side-to-side push-up. The only one that is not on this list right here, that's not currently on this page, is the Superman, and the Superman is number 49. So as you go through the video, you will notice the different types of push-ups and their degree of difficulty. So number 4 and 5 are opinion questions, because there's going to be some push-ups that some people find more challenging, whereas somebody else may find the one that was less challenging to them more challenging. So it's an opinion question. There's technically no right or wrong answers here. However, you can look at the difficulty in the video and see which one you can rank as being less or more challenging. Number 6, where are the pectoral muscles located? And then the hint is if you do enough push-ups, you will feel where it is. In the video, you just saw me doing wall push-ups. Number 7, when you perform push-ups, what muscles are being activated? These two questions kind of go hand in hand. So where are your pectoral muscles? There's one link of a chain. And then when you perform push-ups, what muscles are being used? So there's a link missing. So you have to put that together in order to find the answers, like 2 chains. And then you have to find the missing link in order to find the connection. Or it's like opening a door. If the door is locked, you have to have a key. You have to know where the door is. And then you have to use your hand in order to put the key into the lock to unlock it. So you need 3 things in order to get the answer. So you're just using deductive reasoning to get your answers. And then this is sometimes in tests, there's going to be one question that's going to answer or give you a hint to answering another question. So just look for different questions that kind of aligned and help you to better guide you through the questions to get the correct answers. Number 8, why is it important to practice doing different types of push-ups? And then number 9 states the same thing. Why is it important to practice different types of push-ups? And then this time you'll just put it in your own words. For number 10, for questions 10 through 14, refer to the timeline 1755 to 2023. Number 10 says, in the video, Coach Lauderdale faced adversity to complete 64 different push-ups. What happened along the way and how did he overcome it? So you'll have to listen along to what is going on between 1755 and 2023. Same thing with questions 11, 12, 13, and 14. So number 11 says, on a scale ranging from 1 to 5 stars, when Coach Lauderdale was a child, how much do you think he appreciated his dad not allowing him to make excuses? You'll rank it as 1 star for not appreciative, 2 stars for somewhat not appreciative, 3 stars for being neutral, 4 somewhat appreciative, or 5 very appreciative. For number 12, on a scale ranging from 1 to 5 stars, looking back over the experience as an adult, how much do you think Coach Lauderdale appreciates his dad not allowing him to make excuses? So looking in hindsight, as an adult, present day, how do you think I feel about, what do you think I think about this situation? Number 13 says, which of the following does not describe the saying slow is fast? So you'll go through and choose that. For number 14, what can someone learn vicariously from Coach Lauderdale's experience? And then I give you the definition of vicariously, which means through the experience of another person. So during the test, it is always a good idea to reword or rephrase the question. Here are 2 options with examples, and they are listed down below. You can read and kind of sort and understand. For number 15, select the best choice. Haste makes waste is another way of saying slow is fast. True or correct? And you're going to choose the best choice. Sometimes in tests you may have 2 or 3 questions that are very similar, but there's always going to be one that is a better choice or the best choice of the others. Number 16. What was the 64th push-up in the video called? And then you will select what that is called, and you will notice that 64 was the last push-up, so that is going to be located towards the end of the video. Once you are done, it is always a good idea to go back and double check your work if you have enough time for the test. And as you go through the test, just make sure that you answered all of the questions and verify the questions that you answered, because sometimes you may have meant to answer, you may have mistakenly bubbled in at the wrong spot. So make sure that your bubbles are in the right spot. And then it's also good to go back and check your answers as well, because as you go through the test, you are going to gain more knowledge about the information. And then you can use that, you can apply the information that you learned back to the test. Once you're done, you can go ahead and click that submit button. And if there's any questions that are unanswered that are required, it will show up in pink. You'll go back and make sure you answer those questions and then click submit, so then you can receive your participation grade. The next time that I see you, we will go over the test in greater detail, and then I'll get your feedback about the test. You all have a wonderful day. I'll see you all next time.